Neat. It's not that bad, actually.
Yeah, the rear, the undercoating really protected the rear.
Yeah.
Good.
There's just a little bit of surface, but not bad.
Well, they've been able to make it protect the front as well.
Yeah. I don't know what to do next time.
There's the whole rear suspension.
20 pounds of underbody spray on the front end.
Use that truck bed liner or something. Front suspension minus tension control rods that we have to take off still. And of course this.
That's gonna just, you can just do that a couple more times, it'll fall off.
Yeah, this will probably, this will have to be cut out, but the tension rods will come out with some quick
You
unbolting.
P-blast it?
P-blasted, yeah, P-blasted it all. So yeah, right now the four of us should be able to lift this car.
I'm down.
Do you want to put it outside real quick?
No, we're tilting it.
We're tilting it.
Alright, let's get
Yeah, we're gonna
some
try
people
it.
on this side then, so it doesn't try to. Alright, what are we doing?
Which side are we rolling on? Which passenger driver?
South.
Alright, yeah, so we get lowered over. Yep. Alright, so here we go. Got it? Good? Alright, we're touching the, it's fine. How do you feel about that? As long as it's not touching the ground.
Yeah, the fender over here is touching the ground.
Nice. Come on your side, Jacob.
Lift up.
Up on your side. Because then we just gotta get some 2x4 blocks, and then once we get it up to the height. So, you're good. That's gonna be perfect. So it's on the trailer, the guy can do.
Oh yeah, they can just back the end off the trailer.
Right. Yeah. It'll be on the trailer, it'll be up higher, it'll be up higher, just needs access to some.
Hey, yeah, how you doing?
I just have my computer, my mic.
Oh, sick. Did you guys, you refer this guy to him, or? Did you refer-
No, he actually, he was
Oh, okay. That's crazy that we've seen each other.
I got them blasted 2 weeks ago.
Sick.
Yeah, we can go ahead and kick it on. We got that all. I bet you would. I got my steel one now.
I like how it looks right now. I would just clear coat it.
You just put clear coat on it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
It's been like, what time is it, 11?
Like 12:15.
So it's been 3 hours?
Sleep the way it is.
Looks like it came out of the factory with a little bit of rust on it.
You see?
Hey!